You see the construction of this plane? Check out the construction of this beehive. You see where they stay? This now where we just they do the creation of the queen bee. You see? All those construction. Just look this, check this one. After I cover this one, I open the next one. You see? Na three. Like this now, na three cave with this. One head here, the other one head here, and this one another one. You see? See where they go in and out? This one pass here, this one pass side at the middle, then this one. Look at this place.